and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Keto Friday and today I'm sharing how I make my Palak Paneer. Yes, it's a very easy method and you are going to love it because this can be prepared within 10 minutes. Yes, we all make Palak Paneer and I find a bit time consuming the way we make it. So I actually cook it like this, so I thought of sharing this with you all. So let's begin with it. So today I'm sharing how I make my instant keto palak paneer. Yes, this is one method. I love it and I make it in a jiffy, you can say. Here comes the spinach. Yes, I have just taken the spinach, just wash it off and slice it. Cut it into small portions. And now I'm going to churn it. Yes, I have not boiled the spinach. I'm just putting inside the mixer jar and I'm going to churn it with little bit of water. It takes a bit of time in churning, don't worry, and it will get churned within 20 seconds. See, so churn make a puree of all the spinach you have, and then I'm going to start the cooking. Yes, simply, it's so easy. So let's now take a pan or a non-stick kadai or any cast iron kadai, whichever you feel like. Add good amount of ghee according to your macros, and now I'm going to add some cottage cheese or paneer slices. These are my market bought paneer. You can use the homemade paneer even. If you are using the homemade paneer, please press it so that all the water comes out and let it rest for at least 2 hours in the fridge. It will solidify. So this is the way I'm just frying the paneer, sauteing it a bit. You can say it's a shallow fried paneer. I'm going to fry it till it turns golden, and if you don't want to fry it, doesn't matter, but this gives a lovely taste to my palak paneer and it takes it to the another level, you can say. Cook it on medium to high flame and see, it's done. Doesn't it look beautiful? I am just going to take it out in a plate. So transfer all the paneer over to a plate. It is full of magnesium, full of iron, and I love it. It is better you at least have thrice a week. And on keto, it helps in fulfilling my magnesium requirement even. So now in the remaining ghee, I have put in the cinnamon sticks. Here goes the cloves. This is optional. If you don't want to add, don't add. It's not required. I just love the flavor of the cinnamon and the cloves when I bite. Some cumin seed goes into it. And after the cumin seeds splutter or gets toasted, I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. Here goes the ginger garlic paste. And now I'm going to saute it a bit. See how it will sizzle? I love the sizzling sound. And now I'm going to simply drop the spinach puree into it. Yes, you have to just drop the spinach puree into it. See how thick it is? I am going to add a little bit of water into the mixer jar and shake it and use it. I am adding a bit of salt to it, and you can add even a pinch of baking soda, which will help in cooking of the spinach fiber, and it will also enhance the taste. So now I am going to add cream to it. Yes, this would give a lovely richness to my spinach gravy. I love spinach or palak paneer, you can say. I can have it at least 5 times a week or even more, you can say. See, just stir it. You don't have to boil it, you have to just cook for 1 minute or 2 minutes and it's done. See, doesn't it look lovely? It looks like a celestial environment going on inside my kadai. Lovely green color. So now I'm adding a bit of garam masala. This will give a lovely flavor to my palak paneer. And it's almost done. I'm going to add the paneer pieces into it. So here goes the paneer into it. These are your fried paneers which I have kept it aside. And just drop it and cook for 1 minute. It's a very simple one. Normally we boil the palak and then we puree it and then we make the palak paneer. But I find this method very easy and very quick. I usually make my palak paneer like this because this retains the beautiful green color of the palak as it is, and plus it's very quick to make. So in a jiffy you can cook. And my palak paneer is done. See, beautiful. Isn't it easy? So now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. See, I've transferred it into a bowl. Doesn't it look lovely? Full of flavor, lovely color. What else one would ask? So now comes the tasting time. So this goes inside my mouth. Yeah, lovely. I am taking a spoonful of it. Wow, it's yum. Perfectly flavored, perfect texture, and it's awesome. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, go and make the palak paneer in my way, and you don't have to worry for the time because it's made in a jiffy. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.